here at Bad River, manoomin has always been important to us. When we see that, we talk about that. We talk about how we were brought to this place, and we need to remember why. We have a migration story. That migration came with spirits who came to deliver a message to us. There would be a light-skinned race that would come across the Great Salt Water, and in their coming, they would bring destruction to our people. In order for us to preserve what we had, we should move to the west. And the Spirit said you would go to the place where food grows on top of the water, which we knew already was wild rice, what you know as manoomin. We harvested manoomin since we were in Maine, where there's still manoomin marshes in that area there. And so our migration journey was to essentially preserve what we have. So our migration took us along St. Lawrence Seaway through the Great Lakes in the southern part of Michigan, around Chicago, and then north through Canada down to this place where there was a vast wetland and manoomin that was there. And so here, manoomin has always been important to us. And we must remember to take care of what we have here.
We all need clean, healthy water. It's so important to all of us. And then it's especially important to the Bad River tribe because they depend on things like manoomin or wild rice to sustain themselves. So we are so thankful we have a lot of our wetlands intact because those wetlands provide all those functions like water storage and filtration, which will enhance the wild rice growing here. So on the north end of the reservation, the Kakagon-Bad River Sloughs wetland complex, which is around 16,000 acres in size, has received a lot of different designations and recognitions over the years. And it's the area that has the most wild rice in the Great Lakes Basin. The tribe has taken care of this place over the generations. And they know if they take care of this place, this ecosystem will take care of them. Because if we don't have clean, healthy water, we're not going to have a healthy community.
One of the things that we teach our children about is that in creation, never take all that there is. Always leave something behind in order for it to perpetuate into the future. And so with manoomin, it has taken us this far, and each day we remember what manoomin did for us and how it has sustained us for this long. And we're grateful for that.